private jet, take you round the sea mo. I admit I'm lost, but you can find me like I'm Nemo. Your last nigga left you in the cold without no Pico, but baby I'm a hero. With a shawty on the can like a Vivo.
Done. I forgot to update y'all. I'm currently in Dearburg's, which, if you don't know what that is, it's a grocery store in St. Louis. I'm just in here to waste time because my granny and my sister on the way to get me. My sister gonna hit up the nail shop. I'm gonna get these nails done and these toasted. Birthday behavior. And I'm really just killing time, honestly. I was gonna buy some stuff. I might buy this juice. I'm trying to decide, do I want to get it or do I want my granny to get it? But yeah, I don't know. I think I need to add a bundle. I should have just got the thicker version. No, I never had my hair be this thin before though. But you know, you never can tell with the how thin or thick it will come. It's never like precise. You know what I mean? Like when you get hair, like you can order the same length 3 different times. It can be different lengths type shit. But yeah, I definitely like it. I feel like I look so old school with this jacket on. But yeah. I don't know. Something's not doing it. Maybe I need to get my lashes done. I hope y'all can hear me. I was kind of covering the speaker. I need to get some more earrings, different nose rings, and lip gloss.
I haven't seen one yet.
Hey girl. I don't know if I should wear this down or like with the color up. No, that's giving too much nerdiness. Like you see how thin it is? Well, I gotta have some hair in the front because it's like a side. Nails are did. I'm about to go to the orthodontist. And then I'm going to get my lashes done. Hopefully the gym, because I keep saying I'm gonna go to the gym and then I don't go. But in all actuality, I don't have a car right now, so that's the main reason. But I think I get my rental today. Y'all can't even see me. Hold on. So yeah, haven't been to the gym like I planned. But my mom is gonna drop me off at the dentist or the orthodontist, and then we're gonna head. Well, I'm probably gonna have to Uber to my lash appointment. And then I can either Uber to the crib or to the gym. I think I'm gonna do the gym. But I'll talk to you when I get there.
so mad at me. I know it.
Alex and Morgan.
Hey. What's up?
Kaylin, I'm recording you.
Get your legs in the sky like a plane, never got that.
I feel like a Barbie.
They got pop.
They got games and shit.
They can have it later. No. Okay, what's that?
No, bro. No.
I'm not taking 3 shots.
Scared as hell. Take that motherfucker. Even it up. Even it up. Let go. Bow. Bow. Oh, man, for real. I'm a granddaddy.
I mean, she already got a cut on the child. Oh, you recording?
Hey, Mom.
I'm hella drunk. Be quiet. Be quiet.
I'm not playing.
You're not going to call and tell me that on the phone and you don't take pregnancy test at parties.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Tell her. How you got
Play games like that with me in school. I don't mind feel like that. I'm too old for that.
Tell her.
My heart ain't going to take
I got pregnant.
so don't be playing games.
I am pregnant.
Well, you pregnant with good news and whatnot. I don't know, but don't be calling me with no weird shenanigans.
You ain't happy.
And put me on speaker, too.
You ain't happy.
All right.